I absolutely love chicken wings. These battered wings are absolutely delicious. Stay tuned for the recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is clean our wings, making sure there's no excess feather on there. I don't like to see those in my chicken, so always go ahead and pick those out. Then after a good wash, we're going to season our chicken. We have 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon and a half of paprika, a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to just combine all this together on the chicken with a little bit of oil and just give this a good rub. It's best if you marinate this overnight for maximum flavor. If not, at least minimum 2 to 3 hours. You want to cover this and put it in the fridge. Now when you're ready to fry your chicken, I'm going to go ahead now and with some flour and some cold water. And you also want to just slightly season your batter just to give the chicken, the outer part of the chicken, some extra flavor. Now when you're mixing this mixture, it's going to look like it's getting a little bit clumpy. Just keep mixing and they will eventually rub out. Anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. Now this is the consistency that you're looking for, just a nice light batter. As I said, just slightly season your batter. You could just use salt and pepper if you wish, or you could add some more of the seasoning that you use to season the chicken. Now this is a personal preference. I do like to go in with some crushed garlic and my Scotch bonnet pepper. I do like to just poke a little hole in a Scotch bonnet pepper, especially if it's hot. And what this does is just flavor the oil. Now because I'm using butter, I did go ahead and remove the garlic because nobody don't want to burn up garlic attached to their chicken. And just get your chicken, drain off the excess and go ahead and put in your oil. As you can see, the bubbles are very furious in the oil, so you know the oil is hot and ready. Now do not overcrowd your pan, as this will cause the temperature of the oil to drop, and you don't want that. You want your chicken to be just nice and crispy. Now if the temperature of the oil drops, what you'll find is that your chicken will tend to steam rather than fry, and the aim is to fry the chicken. Now these wings weren't really big and they weren't really too small, they were just the right size, so I fried these in about 12 to 14 minutes. I did turn them about 3 times. Just want to make sure you get all the pieces because they're a whole wing, so it's kind of an awkward shape, so just make sure all bits of the chicken is getting cooked. Now after this time, your chicken is ready. Now look at this chicken. It just looks absolutely, I don't know, I just love chicken wings. So my chicken wings, them to me, it's just nice. They just look at the color, just nice golden and just delicious. Now when you remove your chicken from the oil, I always go ahead and put them on a wired rack. I do go in with some napkins at the bottom of the rack just to catch the excess oil. So once this oil drips, they won't be sitting in the oil, they will be just sitting on the rack and the oil will just be gathered in the bottom. Now once I fry one batch of chicken, I do like to go in and just remove all the debris that's left from the previous chicken, because those will just tend to start burning and they will attach to your next batch. So just go ahead and remove them and start frying your next batch. And after you finish frying your wings, then it's time to plate up and eat. Now when I tell you these chicken wings disappeared in next to no time, I don't know, there's just thing about frying chicken in my house, like they just go, when I say gone in 60 seconds, literally gone. Now I made a nice little sauce with this chicken with it was honey mustard. I put a mayo inside and it was just also good. Now thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big like, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and don't forget to share this video. It's absolutely free. Just share the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now there's that sauce that I made. Now I'm just gonna start ripping up into this chicken, because the way my mouth is salivating again. I just love chicken wings. There's just something about wings that just absolutely just makes my day, just makes me so happy. So just look how this bone just comes away so easily. Bone clean, so you know, so once the bone clean, you know, so the chicken just soak, and it's just nice to just get it in that sauce and just enjoy yourself, and just so good. I mean, you can serve this with whatever sauce you wanted, but I just really fancied some honey mustard sauce. Like, oh, look at that drip. Have to catch everything. When I know around here, we don't really waste anything, guys. As I said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.